The crane's tipping. If it falls, it'll crush half the waterfront.
I'll dive in and clip the cable. We need to stabilize it.
No way, airplane! Listen up, both of you. On three. 1, 2, 3. Airplane, now!
Got it. Diving now. Clipping the cable.
You're not saving that crane, airplane. I'm cutting it loose.
Boat, don't do this. The city's depending on us.
I'll take my chances. That crane's more trouble than it's worth.
Stay focused. Airplane, the cable's slipping. Adjust your angle. Going inverted.
Hold tight, Panda. I've got a clear shot. Timing is key. Clip it back on NOW.
You're wasting your time. I'll sever that line in one move.
Not if I secure it first. The crane's stabilizing, Panda.
Perfect. The structure's holding steady, but keep circling until it's locked.
Crane's locked in place. Looks like skill wins today.
You got lucky time. Lucky this time. Don't expect it next round.